How to chat with ChatGPT on WhatsApp. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can chat with ChatGPT on WhatsApp. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's get started. So first, if you want to use your ChatGPT on your WhatsApp, you need to know that there is already an AI on WhatsApp, that is Meta AI, which you can use. But let's just move on and chat with ChatGPT. So for that, you'll need to add a contact. Tap on the plus icon on the top right and then tap on new contact. After you do that, you will then need to save it with the name ChatGPT. So just name it ChatGPT, or you can simply save it without any name as well. Change your country code to United States, that is +1, and the phone number you will need to add is 8478. After you do that, you can then tap on done and save it. So there you can see this is ChatGPT. You can then tap on the chat icon and you can just start asking it, and there you can see you can send it question and it should reply. And yeah, that's how you can chat with ChatGPT on your WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. This can take some time, so just wait. There we go. And yeah, that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.